So how do we make the most money in network marketing? Do we recruit or do we enroll customers? This is the million-dollar question that I get asked based on my personal experience of being in the profession for a very long time and having a team in the thousands that I manage and work with. I want to share with you my personal thoughts on where you should consider spending your time for maximum reward with your efforts. So let's dive in. Hey, my friend, welcome to the Wired to Crush It show. I'm your host, Tanya Aliza, and I've been in the network marketing profession since 2009, and I've been building my business 100% online using my automated recruiting and selling systems. I've built a multiple seven-figure brand and business, so this stuff works if you do something with it. If you like this kind of stuff, you're in network marketing or you're an entrepreneur trying to grow online, make sure to share this with your team. Get subscribed to the show if you're not already, because I release a brand new episode and free resource for you and your business each and every week. The goal in network marketing is leverage. Otherwise, what you do is you end up building yourself another sales job. And I know most people that get into network marketing, they want leverage. They don't just want another sales job or another job in general. So you have to remember that recruiting provides you with that leverage because you're building a team and everybody is contributing to a small part of the greater efforts that everybody gets paid on. Now, customers are amazing and you do need them, and customers can actually provide you with leverage, maybe something that you don't know already exists that I'm going to share with you today, if you actually plug them into your customer system. And we'll talk about that if you don't have a customer system, but you need this customer system if you want your customers to also provide you that leverage that you're looking for. I have a really simple 3-step model that I like to implement into my business when setting my priorities up in where I focus my energy in my business to make the most money with what it is that I'm doing, because you want to be able to squeeze as much juice out of the orange as possible. So you got to make sure that you're prioritizing and focusing your efforts in the right areas of your business. So this 3-step model will help you to making sure that you're doing the leverage producing activities in your business and focusing on the right things. At least this has been helpful for me and my team. Now, before I share with you that 3-step model, I want to make sure that I equipped you with the free resource that I created for you in today's episode. So if you don't already have my 6-figure network marketing roadmap, I actually put together a really cool free resource that you can download, you can print out if you like, or you can have it on your tablet or device, and it'll show you the exact steps that helped me reach 6-figure status in a very short period of time with my network marketing business. It's the exact steps that I took. And if you'd like to know what they are, if you'd like to implement them and model them in your business, I do have this free resource ready for you over on my blog at tanyaaliza.com/338. You can also click the link in the description area or the show notes where you're watching or listening to the show, and it'll take you over to my blog. Right on the blog, there'll be a big yellow button underneath this video that you see. You can click it, you can request access, and I truly hope that it helps you build that roadmap to your 6-figure success. And if you already are a 6-figure earner, you can download this and share it with your team to help them as well. Okay, so focusing on leverage, step number 1 of my 3-step business model is you want to set yourself a goal to recruit and enroll 1 to 3 new teammates every single month. This should be an absolute must for every network marketer on planet Earth that has any kind of big goals. You want to build a team as well as your customer base, but I would focus on making sure that that is a priority because you provide leverage when you recruit in your business. You have to basically duplicate yourself, and I would set a goal of 1 to 3 new teammates every single month. That's really dependent on the goal that you have inside of network marketing. Some people are going to have a bigger audacious goal than others. So set that appropriate to your goals, but it should be for everyone on my team. I like them to set a goal of 1 to 3 new teammates every single month for that leverage and income that they're looking for. Now, pro tip, I highly encourage my teammates that are enrolling with me to become a product of the product. They need to order the product that they are going to go out there and talk about and stamp their name on and tell other people to buy and try. So when I'm enrolling my teammates, they are also essentially becoming a customer of mine. So we kind of get that 1-2 punch where it's like, okay, I've got a new teammate, I'm duplicating myself and my efforts, I'm helping them to build a business, and then they are also ordering product of their own. That product volume flows through up to me as well. And so they are a teammate and a customer, because I just don't know how somebody can authentically promote something that they're not an advocate of from personal experience. So I make sure that all of my teammates have some sort of customer order going through so that they can speak from experience on the products that they are going to be taught how to promote. Step number 2 is have a goal of acquiring new customers every single week and focus on the hero products that your company sells. Now, some of you guys might have just like one product line that you sell and you're like, that's the only thing that our company sells. Some of you guys are going to have multiple things that your company offers that you can be affiliated of and you can sell. My highest recommendation for maximum leverage and income in what it is that you're doing is focus on your hero products. Your hero products are things that are anything that are $100 and more. So the commissions are going to be higher typically. The investment is going to be higher for a customer coming into your world. But here's the thing. It takes the same amount of effort for you to sell something that is $2 as it does for you to sell something that's $200. So what I recommend is that if you're going to do the work, get paid the most for the work. So start focusing on your hero products, things that actually make money for everybody, get somebody a little bit more invested. Step number 3 is put your customers through a customer ascension system. What is a customer ascension system, you asked? Well, I'm glad that you asked, because if you don't know what a customer ascension system is, you are missing the boat. And if you don't have one in place, oh my goodness, this is going to change and rock your world. There's 2 things that you can do with your customers to get leverage from your customers. You have to do these 2 things, otherwise you are wasting effort. The first thing you do is after your customer receives their product and they've been experiencing your product for a little bit, you want to reach out to your customer and ask them if they can do a referral post, or they would be willing to do a referral post for you for their people. And this is obviously if they have a really good experience with the product, you talk about it, they say they love it. Hey, would you mind helping me to support my business and also share something that you love with your people by doing a referral post that I can help you with? Now, if you don't know what a referral post is, I'm going to link to it in the show notes or in the description area of where you're watching or tuning in. And I will link to a previous episode that I did on how to get your customers to do a referral post for you and the exponential virality of your business it can have by doing these. So make sure to have that referral post strategy in place with your customer ascension system that you have in place for your customers. Next, what you want to do is ask your customers if they would like to learn more about earning some extra money promoting or referring the products that they already like you do, and ask them if they'd be open to learn more about that. The goal here is to have the system in place so that you can reach one to many in a very leveraged way. And remember, I put together in this episode for you my personal 6-figure network marketing roadmap. So if that's something that you'd like to learn about, make sure to pick up that free resource over on my blog at tanyaaliza.com/338. We'll leave a link in the description area of where you're watching or tuning into this episode. Click the link, it'll take you to my blog, and then you can get my 6-figure network marketing roadmap. I hope you thoroughly enjoy it and it helps you a ton. We have to be focused on leverage inside of network marketing. And if we're ever going to be able to make the most money in this beautiful profession, look at all of the leaders you know in the network marketing profession. They all have a team that is ordering, using, and promoting the products of the brand. So success leaves clues, and we have to take a little leverage notes from our leaders and start implementing this into our business. If you love this episode and it helped you, make sure to subscribe to the show if you're not already. Share this with your team if you think that it would be helpful and useful to them as well. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you loved most about the episode. And don't forget to check the show notes because I leave a bunch of extra additional awesome resources to help you grow your business in this profession. I'll see you on the next episode.